What up, guys? This is Mario here at FP Automotive. We have the exhaust in the car. We have the valve controller. I'm gonna press this. Not sure if you can hear that, guys, but I opened up the valves, put it in M1. This thing should sound crazy. That sounds nice and deep. My goodness, that sounds really nice. Is on the front. That looks absolutely ridiculous. Yo, red filters, perfect. Perfect on the CS. Give it a little tap, a little love tap. Okay, that's the car I remember, guys. And this is the crazy thing. Let me see, where is my remote controller? Fully close the valves. Dropped it. We are at FP Automotive. We got Mario here. We got the valve controller on. We have front mount intakes. We got a single mid pipe, catless downpipes. You hear that? And then you can go completely quiet. That's the best part. Let's go take this thing for a little spin. Not gonna go very far. Car warmed up nicely. Remember, you can put the car in neutral. Whew, sounds very nice. Again, I'm not gonna take the car far, guys. Literally just gonna take it around. We have so much going on to the car, you guys don't even know. That's why I'll be offline for a few days as everything is going on, but you guys, the front mount intakes, they make a big difference. They park it, open the valves, and bring it right back. Get some free revs while we're parked up here in this big spot. Sounds all right. I'm not gonna lie, that sounds all right. But I think the valves are closed. Yeah. That's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. Finally, sounds like it should. Insane. Absolutely insane, guys. What a car. What a car.